the statement on the House Business Committee. Honorable Speaker.
Yes, Honorable Millie. What is the point of order?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I want to thank the Majority Leader for presenting that. And I just wish, before I raise my point of order, to applaud him to laud him for acknowledging that the last two years, I hope he's seeing that I'm underlining the last 2 years, CDF was not reduced. And I'm glad that he's also acknowledging the challenges of running a government. He's always been complaining, now he's on the receiving end. But having said that, Mr. Speaker, I just wanted the Majority Leader to clarify that he's actually indicated that the World Bank has given some money, and he has further said that today, money is being disbursed to the counties, and every day we sit here, money is disbursed to the counties, but we shoot ourselves on the foot because we are the ones who prepare the budget and there's no money taken to NGCDF. Why are we not prioritizing NGCDF and GAF? Why are we not prioritizing ourselves? Why are we treating ourselves as children of a lesser God? So, yes, second-class citizens, and we are the ones who are in charge of the budget. So, Mr. Speaker, if the Majority Leader could please explain why that money from the World Bank is not prioritized to us, and secondly, why we are putting counties ahead of the national government money, CDF. And our counties, people are suffering. I'm glad you have said that your toilets are down. Even ours, the toilets are down and the classes are down with roofs and the rains. And roads are completely messed up. So why are we not prioritizing NGCDF? You know, I'm annoyed until now I'm getting a Kikuyu accent. So can you please explain to us why you are not prioritizing? Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Go on with your next statement.
Honorable Speaker,